Choose the correct answer if the point x minus 3 where 2 minus x lies in the fourth quadrant. Then x equal what? What about fourth quadrant? We have its first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. The sign about fourth quadrant about x and y. Any order here x and y. First will be positive and positive. Second, it will be negative and positive. Third, negative and negative. And fourth here, positive and negative. Okay, then this point here, x minus 3 equal and 2 minus 3 lies in the fourth quadrant. The result here must be equal positive and here must be negative. Look at the choosing here. If we put 4 here, 4 minus 3 equal 1. It's positive. 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2. Then the number 4 satisfies this order. Okay, then x equal 4 because 4 minus 3 and 2 minus 4, it will be equal 4 minus 3 1, 2 minus 4 negative 2. Then the sign here positive and negative. Okay, you must choose x equal 4. Choose letter A. Question number 2. If f of x equal kx plus 8 and f of 2 was equal 0, then k will be what? Okay, we can use this information here. We have function f of x equal kx plus 8, and this information is meaning the point 2 and 0 put in this function, because f of 2 equals 0, f of x equal y, then x equal 2 and y equal 0, and then put in this function f of x was y, then y equal kx plus 8, such that y equal kx plus 8, then put x equal 2 here and y equal 0, 0 equal 2 times k, it will be 2k plus 8, and then moved 8 to left hand side to be negative 8 equal 2k, and then can divide it by 2, then k here will be negative 4. The result here equal negative 4. Okay, understood? You can put f of 2 equals 0, or you can solve this example by another method, or put f of what? Of 2 equal 2 times k plus 8 equals 0, then k will be negative 4, because negative 4 times 2 equal negative 8 plus 8 equals 0. Then the result will be negative 4. Choose letter D. Next question number 3. If A, 2, 4, B are in continued proportion, then A plus B equal what? Continued. Okay, continued proportion. Continued proportion, it's meaning A over 2 equal 2 over 4 equal 4 over B. It's continued proportion. Okay, and then we can find the value of A and the value of B and then add them. We can find the value of B by using properties. The product of extremes equal product of means about two fractions here. Then A will be 2 times 2 over 1 over 4. 2 times 2 over 4. Then the result will be 1. Then A here will be equal 1. And we can find the value of B here by product about 4 times 4 over 2. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Then the value of B, it will be 8. We have A and B. He won't find 8 and B. 8 equal 1 and 8 will be 9. The result will be 9. A plus B equal 9. It's the result about this example. Next question. Letter B. If B is the mean proportion of between E and C, prove that left hand side, right hand side. Okay, to solve this example, we must put the rule here. We have B is the mean proportion between A and C, it's meaning E over B equal B over C, because B is the median between A and C. We called it the mean progression. Mean progression is the median between A and C. And then we can put M here and M not equal 0. So we can find the value of A by put A equal Cm power 2 and B equal Cm, and then distribute your paper here two parts, left hand side and right hand side, and left hand side here, left hand side we have 2c power 2 subtract 3 power 2 over 2p power 2 subtract 3a power 2, and then we can put a and b in this expression, okay, in the numerator and denominator. 2c power 2 subtract 3 power 2 p here equals cm power 2, it will be c power 2 m power 2, and 2 power 2 subtract by 2 power 2, put p here, it will be c power 2 m power 2, subtract 3 a power 2, it will be c power 2 m power 4. And then you can sample this example by write the height common factor between two terms here. C power 2 was repeating, and m power 2, no, we haven't m power 2 here. Okay, we can write c power 2 outside here, and then write 2 subtract by 3 m power 2. And denominator here we can write c power 2 outside and m power 2 height common factor between two terms here. And the result here, this term divided by c power 2 m power 2, the result will be 2. And this term divided by this term, we can write 3, and c power 2 divided by 3 power 2 1, m power 4 divided by m power 2, it will be m power 2. And then you can sample this fraction, cancel this expression by this expression, and c power 2 by c power 2, then the result will be 1 over m power 2. It's the simplest form about first term here, left hand side, okay. And what about second progression? About c over a, c here and a equals cm power 2, and then you can sample c by c, and the result 1 over m power 2. So the left hand side equal right hand side equal 1 m power 2, 1 over m power 2. Question number 2. Number 1, if x directed inverse between y inverse with a z, will y direct relation by x and y directly inverse with z, then we can write two relation in one relation. Y we have relation with x directly and inverse with z. Okay, so y directly with x over z, choose letter C. Next question. Number 2. The standard division of value 555, it will be 0. Question number 2, the result will be 0. Because we have the similar values, then the standard division, it will be 0. Question 3. The function f of x equal x power 2 subtract by x minus 3 all power 2 of space degree. First step, we can find the value in the simplest form. Write x power 2 subtract by x power 2, it will be x power 2. 2 times 3, 6 times x, it will be negative 6x plus 3 power 2, it will be 9. And then write x power 2 subtract x power 2, negative times negative, it will be positive. Negative times positive, it will be negative. And we can cancel two terms here. The result will be 6x minus 9. Then we can find here the degree will be first. Choose letter B because x here power 1. 6x power 1 minus 9, it's the first degree. Choose letter B here, first result first. Okay. Next question number P. The point -1 and 2 is the vertex of curve f of x equal ex power 2 negative 6x plus constant. Find the value of c. He give us this point is the vertex. We know the vertex will be negative b over 2a and function of negative b over 2a. It's the vertices. He give us negative 1 and 2. Then this order will be equal to negative 1 and 2. And then first will be first and second will be second. And we know b here equal negative 6. In this example, we have a and b and c. A equal a, it's constant. And b was negative 6. And c will be c. Then negative b over 2a. The first projection here, it will be negative 1. Then we can cancel b here and negative 6. Negative times negative, it will be positive. Okay, because b equal negative 6, but negative times negative equal positive. 6 over 2a, it will be negative 1. We can simplify it. 6 divided by 2 equal 3, then 3 over a equal negative 1, then a equal negative 3. Because 3 divided by negative 3 equal negative 1. Then the value of a equal negative 3. Okay. And we have the point here lies in this function. Then the function will be what? We can cancel a and write negative 3 and then write x power 2 negative 6x plus constant. Okay, we have the function here. You want to find the value of c. We have negative 1 and 2 satisfies this equation. Okay, because this point is vertices and the curve about this function, it will be negative. This function will be up here, and this point negative 1 and 2 lies in this curve. We have the curve here, and this point lies in this curve, such that here point negative 1 and 2. Okay, so we will put x equal negative 1 and y equal 2 in this function to find the constant. Y here equal f of x. F of x was y, then y equal 2 equal negative 3 multiplication x power 2 negative 1 power 2 negative 6 multiplication the value of x, it will be negative 1 plus constant. And then we can simplify it by write 2 equal negative 1 power 2, it will be 1. 1 times negative 3, it will be negative 3. Negative times negative equal positive. Then 2 will be negative 3 plus 6, it will be 3 plus constant. And then we can move 3 to the left hand side, it will be 2 minus 3, it will be constant. Then the constant here, it will be negative 1. Understood? The constant here equal negative 1 about this example. It's very important to give us the point vertex of the curve. It's meaning the vertex equal negative b over 2a and f of t negative b over 2a. It's the rule about the vertex about any curve, second curve. Okay, second degree function here is the vertex. Okay, give us to know the rule here. Next question, number 3. Question number 3. If 3a equal 4b equal 6c, 3a equal 4b equal 6c, find the ratio between a and b and c. We can find the ratio about this question by divided the least common multiplication between 3 and 4 and 6, it will be 12. Divided all term here by 12. Here divided by 12 and here by 12. 3 over 12, it will be 1 over 4. The result will be a over 4. And here 4 divided by 4 equal 1. And 12 divided by 4, it will be 3. And 6 divided by 6 equal 1. And 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Then the ratio between E to B to C, it will be 4 to 3 to 2. The ratio between them, 4 to 3 to 2. Okay. And then you want to find the numerical expression. 3a plus 2b over e plus c. We can put here a known value such that m. we have the ratio here, put m, and m not equal 0, it's constant, okay? Then a equal 4m, a will be 4m, and b equal 3m, and c will be equal to m. Then the value about this expression, 3 multiplication by a equal 4m, 3 times 4 will be 12, 12m. 2 times b equals 3m, 3 times 2 equals 6, result will be 6m, and a equal 4m plus c equal 2m, and then the result will be what? 12 plus 6 equal 18m, and 4 plus 2 equals 6m, and then we can sum, let's cancel m by m, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3, then the value of this expression, it will be 3. The numerical value of expression, it will be 3, okay? Understood? Next question. We have the relation additive inverse of BA, additive inverse of B about x in itself. Okay, we can find the relation about this example. First order here, x equal -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Then the relation here, it tells us the relation are represented by the R diagram is the additive inverse. Okay, write -2 and 2 and -1 and 1. Okay, and 0 with itself, 0. 1 with -1, and 2 with -2. And then we can draw our Venn diagram here about this point here, -2 and -1, 0, 1, and 2, and then join the point on the reverse, 1 with -1 and -1 to 1, 0 with itself, 2 to -2 and -2, 2. Okay, we called it the function. If here is a function because R here is a function because each element in X has one image. Each element in X has one image. Okay. Question number 4. If X equals Z plus 8 and Z varies inverse with Y. It's meaning what? Z and Y. Z, we have varies inverse between Z and Y. Okay. Z and Y. About question number 4, and they give us the relation between Z and X equal Z plus 8. It's the relation between X and Z, and Z varies inverse with Y, where Z equal 2 when Y equals 3. Okay. In this relation, we can find Z in the simplest form, right? Z equal M over Y, and M is a constant, not equal 0. M not equal 0 is a constant, okay? And then Z equal M over Y. Put Z here in this relation. Then you can cancel Z and write M over Y. Then X equal M over Y plus 8. It's the relation between M and Y. We want to find M constant here. But in this example, he give us Z equal 2 and Z equal 2 and Y equal 3. Put here, put Z equal 2, Z equal 2 here, and Y equal 3. If Z equal 2, then X will be what? 2 plus 8 equal 10. Put Z here equal 2. We give us this information, Z equal 2 then x will be 10. X will be 10. And the constant here over y over equal 3 plus 8. And then we can find the value of m. Move 8 to left hand side. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 2 equal m over 3. Then m will be 3 times 2. It will be 6. It's constant. In the relation between x and y, x will be 6 over y plus 8. Okay, put m here. 6 over y plus its relation between x and y. And then you want to find the value of y when x equals 3. When x equals 3, then we can find the value of y. Put x equals 3 here. 3 equal 6 over y plus 8. And we must move 8 to left hand side. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5 equal 6 over y. Then y equal 6 over negative 5. Or y will be negative 6 over 5 in the simplest form. In the value of y equal negative 6 over 5 when x equal, put x equals 3 here and move 8 to left hand side. 3 minus 8 equal negative 5. 6 over 8 equal negative 5, then y will be negative 6 over 5. It's the simplest form, negative 6 over 5. Next question, if f of x equal 2x plus 5 and g of x was x minus 6, prove that f of 2 plus 3 g of cj, okay, j of 3 equals 0. We can prove that by find f of 2. This function f of x, put x equal 2 here, the result will be 2 times 2 plus 5. 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 5, it will be 9. And j of 3, put x equal 3 here in this expression, the result will be 3 minus 6, it will be negative 3. Then we can find the value here about this expression. Put f of 2 here, it will be 9 plus 3 times g of 3 equal negative 3. Then the value will be 9 minus 9, it will be 0. The result here equals 0. Okay, we prove that the result will be equal 0 here. Question number 5. Find arithmetic mean and standard deviation for the values 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this question number 5, number 1, we have 5, 7, 8, 9, and 6. We can find the mean. It will be x bar equals sum of all values, 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X bar equal 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8 equal 20, 29, 29 plus 6 equals 35. Okay, 12 plus 8, 10, 20, 29 plus 6, 35 divided by 5, it will be 7. And then we can draw the tables here and divide it 3 parts. And then we can write here all values x, and here x subtract x bar, and here x subtract x bar all power 2. We can write 5, 7, 8, 9, and 6. X subtract x bar 7 will be 5 minus 7, negative 2. And then write 7 subtract by 7, it will be 0. 8 minus 7, it will be 1. 9 minus 7 be 2. And 6 minus 7, it will be negative 1. Power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2. And here last one, it will be 1. And here we can find a sum of here, it will be 5, 10. Then standard division here, sigma square root of summation of x subtract x bar all power 2 over n. N raised to is the number of all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, no, 5. Square root of 10 over 5. The result will be square root of 2. It's nearest to 1.6. By using calculator, we can find the result. The result will be 1.26. Okay, understood. Next question, it's last question here. Number 2, we have the order of x minus 2 and 2 power y minus 1 equal 3 and 1. We can write x minus 2 equal 3 first equal first, and second equal second. Then x here equal 5. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 2 power 0 equal 1. Then y minus 1 equal 0. This power will be 0. Then y must be equal 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay, then we have x equal 5 and y equal 5. X equal 5 and y equal 1. Okay, let's end the question.